Good morning. Today is January 10, 2024, Wednesday. And here are the 10:30 a.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Sur 3 10:30 a.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for January 10, 2024, Wednesday. Here are the SL Sur 3 10:30 a.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Wednesday, January 10, 2024. Thank you for watching this 10:30 a.m. video for morning of Wednesday, January 10, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.